how to deal WhatsApp as application on mobile and as a web through your computer for heavy usage in two ways. Heavy usage means to send files, heavy files, different types of files, videos through your groups in WhatsApp for different ways and in heavy usage. So let's go, and first of all we have to show you how to contact this. So you will write on the browser here web.whatsapp.com as you see here, okay? And after enter, this QR code will appear, so you can scan it using your mobile. So you go to inside your mobile, your smartphone mobile, and then open your WhatsApp application, and in WhatsApp press in the three dots in the left corner if you are in Arabic, or in the right corner if you are in English, and then select اللي هو linked devices, and from linked devices press on the button here appear in the linked device, and then scan this QR code. This is the first way. You have to scan this. The second way, if you have something in your camera or any problem here, so you can use another way, which is communicate or connecting through your mobile phone. Here, if you press here, you should enter your mobile number. Here ادخل رقم الهاتف. So you will select Egypt, the country, as example Egypt, and then enter your mobile phone here. Okay, and then press next, and the message will be sent to you as a notification, so you will enter this message in your computer. The other way, the first way, we can back here, refresh. Here we have, this is the web.whatsapp, and then it will appear now the QR code here. So he will scan this QR code using the scanner from the mobile. Link using the device. Scan. Now we are connecting or contacting the groups. So we have two status or two ways, one from your smartphone and the other from your computer. You are doing this in two ways, through QR code or using your mobile phone number, and will you confirmation message. If you have any message or any comment, don't hesitate to ask me, and I will reply you as soon as possible. And now the groups here are all groups, and I can deal it in my computer and send any files. So I can send here any files here, plus, and upload and share all of the files I need from my computer. If there is heavy files or videos or Excel files or any files or zip files or rare files, I don't need to use the mobile here. Just mobile for messaging or knowing the news or important things. Press like for this video and share it as you like. Thanks for watching.